Everybody think the IRS is like the mafia. Truth is, they more like the mafia than the mafia. Mess around, get your house took. Look, they ain't gonna play no games with you. So look, I'm gonna show you today how you can do your taxes. Not you do them, but you need somebody else to do them. Cause low key, if you do them, you gonna mess them up. They gonna come get you. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want that, all right? So I'm gonna show you a proper way on how I would do it if I was in your situation. Disclaimer, cause you ain't gonna get me. You feel me? You ain't gonna get me caught up out here in these streets. I am not a financial advisor, and I do recommend that you seek financial help. Go holler at a CPA, go holler at a tax person and get correct information. This is just what I would do if I was in your shoes. You feel me? First thing you can do, you wanna go to Google, you wanna type in 2022 or 2023, whichever year you're in. Type in that current year and put tax bracket. It's gonna show you all of the different tax brackets for the single people, all the tax brackets for the married people. So if you filing married, they have a section for you. You filing single, they got a section for you. You need to look at the percentages, find out where you feel like you will lie at the end of the year. You find that percentage, and that's the amount that you remove from your profits that you make in the markets. You remove that from your profits and put it in a savings account to pay taxes. Now, I highly recommend that you talk to a tax person, but let me tell you this. I highly recommend that you pay quarterly. Do not wait to the end of the year to file your taxes, because then you're gonna have a huge tax bill. Trust me, I know from experience. And if you plan on hiring a CPA, please hire the correct CPA. You will need to hire somebody who's gonna be all in your business. You know what I'm saying? They need to be looking at your bank accounts. They need to be kind of a financial advisor, so to speak, kind of telling you, you should buy this, you shouldn't buy this, move your money over here to get tax deductions and all that kind of stuff. You're gonna need that because as self-employed people, we get a lot of deductions, a lot of write-offs. So you wanna make sure that you're doing those properly. So that's why I tell you not to do it by yourself, because most people don't know what they can write off and all that different kind of stuff. So you wanna make sure you talk to a professional that knows what to write off, so that way you get the best bang for your buck. Either you won't owe as much or you might get a refund back. You know what I'm saying? Either way. So you wanna do that. All right, now right here, I hear this a lot from a lot of tax people. Now, if you don't think this is truth, let me know in the comment section. I'll do some more research, but a couple of tax people that I've talked to, this is what they've told me. You don't have to pay tax. Now this disclaimer, because hey, this is what I heard, so don't take it verbatim. But they said you don't have to pay taxes on the money that's in your trading account unless you withdraw it. So if the money's still there, you don't have to pay taxes on it, from what I know. You know what I'm saying? Now you can research that on your own, but like if you got 20, 30K in your Forex account or your binary account, whatever the case is, from what I heard, you ain't got to pay taxes on it until you withdraw the money, and you only pay taxes on what you withdraw. And then that's going to go to that tax bracket, what I was telling you about. So if you withdraw 10,000, you want to look and say, okay, I need to take, 10% of that or 5% of that, put it in the savings, or 20% of it, depending on, whatever. It's better to overpay sometimes than to underpay. You know what I'm saying? Because if you overpay, they're going to send you a check in the mail anyway, because you overpaid. If you underpay, they're gonna come get you. You know what I'm talking about? You can rest assured they're gonna come knocking at the door. So you don't wanna do that. Yeah, I mean, that's in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. Taxes aren't really as scary unless you're making astronomical amounts like myself. Then them tax bills get ugly. You know what I'm saying? That's why I tell y'all, make sure you get the right CPA to know what they do. We had to switch CPAs, nothing against the first CPA, but some things just wasn't getting done. So we had to switch to a new one. And Lord willing, everything is done how it's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be all right in these streets. But I tell y'all everything from experience, and all y'all been on this journey with us very long. That's why I gotta make sure I let y'all know, so that when y'all start making money, getting it rolling in, y'all know exactly what to do. But you do have to file taxes on the money that you make. I would not try to escape the IRS. I would not try to find loopholes to not pay it. You might as well just pay it. You know what I'm saying? Even the Bible tell you gotta pay taxes, you feel me? So you gotta pay taxes regardless. Now you can get them reduced, but you still gotta pay it. All right, But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. It ain't really too much to it. Just do that, and I think you're gonna be straight. I know what I say at the end of every video, life is short. A midget told me that. No, I'm just playing. But look, keep it 100. Life is very short for a lot of people. So you wanna make sure you keeping God first in his rightful place. Do not have idols in your life. You know what I'm saying? Do not be putting things in front of God, because at the end of the day, eternity is long. This life is short, eternity is forever. So you wanna make sure you get to the kingdom. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that you gonna be up there chilling and feasting and enjoying and praising the Lord when it's your time to go. So do not cleave so much to this earth. Do not put all your treasures on this earth. Store up your treasures in heaven. And Lord willing, you know what I'm saying? We all get there. We all be able to really enjoy the fruits of what we did down here. All right. So God bless y'all. Lord willing, I'll be able to see y'all in another video. Holla at your boy, peace.
Going to different locations, how they got when I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, you know it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do it, we all in. We can slow up and you never catch.